Hi, these are Turnlocks. Like this model is used to fasten panels on helicopters, and this one can be used to fasten small carbon fiber panels in small aircrafts or drones. Thanks.
Hello. These parts are being used in the aerospace on the aircraft engine. You have the Clinsert, which is needed to fix inside the material, the broaching tool, which pre-broaches the holes in the very hard titanium material, parent material, and then the installation tool to install the Clinsert and to perfectly put in the Clins inside the parent material. Thank you.
Hi, this is the temporary fasteners. Before to install the aircraft panel, we want to be sure the panel is on the exact position. So before to install the final fasteners, thanks to the temporary fasteners to pre-install the panel and to be on the correct position. Thank you.
Hello, this is the smart block pins, SBP in short. These parts are used in aerospace. This part, for instance, is used in the wheel on an airplane. And this one are used in different systems. We manufacture these ones in only 2 weeks, and we can make it in different handles. Thank you.